ClickOnCare.com.
Everyone, today I'm going to present Cetaphil DAM. It is an advanced hydrating lotion for dry skin. It keeps the skin intensely moisturized throughout the day. Now I'll tell you what are the benefits of this lotion. It is an ultra moisturization for the skin. It keeps the skin soft, hydrated and smooth. It protects the skin from dryness up to 24 hours. It is for all skin types. It is non-greasy, fragrance-free, and it is non-comedogenic as well. Now I'll tell you how you will use this lotion. Just apply this lotion liberally as often as needed. It is for daily use. This lotion is marketed by Galderma and it contains 100 grams.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and